Spicy boy. Gary, give me a punt. Come on.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Get it off the ground. Oh!
Can't catch the shit. It's gonna bust on you. Drink.
First, shout out to Nas for helping us put this on.
All the good and bad decisions we're gonna make today, because we're gonna see some stuff go down, and it is going to be, what is this? American Muscle versus a Euro supercar, one of one, crazy turbo thingy.
It looks, it's new versus old. It's like being at a retirement home, but seeing technology involved. Your grandfather's pacemakers ran by the Skynet or something.
Getting a flip phone for the first time, learning how to text.
Let's go look at these cars real quick. Usually, y'all don't know what racing shoes are. I'm an old person connoisseur. You're not old. But look, check marks, all black, menace to society.
You know the vibes.
This man is not playing. Sir, I am Gary.
Mike.
Nice to meet you. Tell the people about yourself.
Hey, my name's Mike. I'm from Fresno.
What the fuck is that?
What did you bring out? What is this thing?
That's my '64 Dodge Polara. It's just a junky old Dodge, as my buddy would say, and got just a bracket car.
So you're saying it's just a it's just a plain old Dodge, but you got some skinnies up front and some drag radials on the back.
Oh, they're just bi-ply drag slicks.
So this thing is made to pop wheelies then?
Well, yeah, on a prep surface. I don't know what it'll do here.
Right, all right.
I like the steering wheel though. This steering wheel he kept, I just looked right at it. It's all red. It's red and white. You got the red velvet cake of cars out here. You know that? What it tastes like?
It tastes pretty good.
What it smell like?
It depends on what time of the day.
Times?
High tens.
Engine?
Engine's getting tired.
Let me see that engine real quick for the one time.
Oh, okay. You brought a big boy out.
What are we looking at, Mike?
It's a stroke 440. It's a stock block.
Okay.
But it's a 512 now, so it's just a half-inch longer stroke than stock.
Gary, you run this on the RB, right? This
What?
thing?
The carburetor?
Yeah.
You know all about that.
Nah, I've got a 33, not a Hako, but that's beautiful.
Oh, thanks. You said you had an RB?
Yeah.
Because this is an RB, raised block.
Okay.
Oh, we got Skyline boys out here.
We just become best friends. Yep.
What transmission you got in this thing?
727 torque flight.
Wait, let's see the guts. I want to see the inside. Gary pointed this out. He said red
guts,
velvet
baby.
tastes good, smells good, everything. But let's see what you got on the inside. Man, my boy's classy here too. Look at the seats, halfbacks, clean red interior.
How you getting this?
Damn.
He got floor mats.
Yeah, Dodge Motorsport floor mats.
This is the most OEM plus I ever seen out of anything that's a race car.
I got to do a test here. Could Gary sit in this thing?
Sure, absolutely.
Gary, let's see if
boy,
it's
I can't
Gary-proof.
wait.
Gary, get a taste out of American muscle right here.
Come on, if
let's
I
see
can
the
fit in there,
strength
Gary
and
can
the
fit in
muscle of Gary getting behind this RB Dodge.
Oh, dude.
Look at
That's
you.
all you, bro.
What kind of fueling does this use?
I just run 110 race gas in it.
No spray, just all motor?
All motor.
Nice.
What is that?
Oh
That's
shit!
trans
I touched
brake
it.
button.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's a long throw button for us bottom bulb racers, so when the lights come down, instead of having to anticipate when to leave, we can just leave at the first flash of the bottom bulb.
We did talk about power and time, right? You make how much horsepower?
I don't know, I've never dynoed it.
Yeah.
So wait, how do you tune this thing without knowing? You just all by the seat of your pants, or how do you like?
It's got an old wideband in it that doesn't work, but yeah, otherwise we just tune it.
So now that you've seen this, let's show you to the next vehicle that we have on the list here. We're going from this is like polar opposites here. This is something
100%.
that's built in your garage, ran across the United States of America, most drag strips, don't even know the power on it, but then you have this thing.
Welcome to the world's most
what is this?
expensive phone charger.
Where do you charge the phone?
Right there, put your phone right there.
Make sure I got
Your
this.
case is way too big though.
Hold on.
Oh yeah.
Gary,
I
come
got
on.
the little boy.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, it really worked.
What? It's charging!
89%. Most expensive phone charger probably in the world right here.
That's actually brilliant.
What is this? Who are you and what is this, if I may ask?
My name is Alex Choi. I'm a fellow YouTuber. And this is my 2017 Lamborghini Huracán Super Trofeo Evo.
So is this the car that had the EXO cage and all that stuff?
So this car started life as a stock 610-4, blue exterior, yellow interior, and put a crazy wrap on it. Then I put a body kit on it. Then I did the exoskeleton. And then this car, yeah, it's the same exact chassis, different engine.
That's wild.
But the interior is the same. It's the same VIN number.
Okay. So what is this body kit? What do we got going on here?
So this is a Lamborghini Huracán Super Trofeo Evo race car, so body kit. So it's on a street car, but it's the race car body, pretty much. So it's Lamborghini's one make race series, bunch of really wealthy people.
I'm one of those guys.
So this is more of like a daily commuter, fun weekend
Yeah,
car?
oh yeah, I mean, it's got 60,000 miles on it now. I plan on driving this thing to 200,000-300,000 miles. I'm also a big plane guy, so I see this as kind of like maintaining a plane. Planes last for 30, 40, 50, 60 years. They just go through like 30 engines. So that's what I kind of plan on with this car. Like, as long as I don't crash it, then I'll just keep going through engines and hopefully I get this thing to 1 million miles. That'd be awesome.
Wow.
If you had to pick one thing about it, what was your favorite part of this entire thing?
I have a siren and like a PA in here. I love talking to people.
Like a PA, like, hey, pull over, like cops PA?
road.
It's whenever I'm on a racetrack and I'm telling people to get the fuck out of my way.
You don't do point buys, you just do yell buys.
Oh yeah, I'll get on the radio and be like, please move.
That's nice.
How do you pop the hood on this bad boy?
Which one's the
Yeah,
hood?
let's see what you're cooking with.
Like,
if you guys seen a
dumbbells.
video of this car on the internet, it's usually having fire
right
come out of like
there.
6 different orifices coming out the back,
So-
the hood. Okay.
He's got sheeps on here.
How difficult it is here to get a turbo package in this thing? Like, is it a lot of
these
work?
No, these are off-the-shelf bolt-on, comes with instruction manuals. Obviously, I'm not smart enough to do it myself, so I sent it to Sheepy Race, who installed the kit.
And then what do you do for like engine management?
So it's on Motec M1.
Okay, got
Full
some spice.
Standalone.
What power does this make as we currently see it?
It's got a switch. I can make 800 wheel, 1000 wheel, 1200 wheel, 1400 wheel.
This is dialing up the amp to 11, huh?
I mean, I can just turn it up all the way to 1700 wheel, but that's if I'm really I'm asking for it at that point.
Yeah. So what have you done to the drivetrain on this thing?
Okay, so it's a stock transmission, stock clutches. It's about time for me to upgrade them. Really, they're struggling. And then this car is an all-wheel drive car. It has a front differential on it, and I put a Cyvex Haldex controller in it so I can like turn it on and off. So I can make it rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, but then it broke like a month ago and I never bothered to fix it, so it's rear-wheel drive.
This sounded like a lot
Really
of
cutting
like
corners here.
Yeah.
I like
This
this.
is a little bit closer to your
rear-wheel drive only.
I'm rear-wheel drive right now, yeah.
Okay.
How good are you negotiating?
Do I look like a negotiator?
Yeah, I
Mike,
mean,
how good are you at negotiating?
Guess we might find out.
First one to the finish line, 1,000 feet, heads up race.
You guys good with that?
Who's gonna win?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we'll negotiate from there and figure out what either of you need.
I'm gonna bet you a whole $3.
$3.
$3?
I like where this is going. I got a solid 5. But you know what? 3 plus 3 is 6. I got $6.
Woo!
$6 right now. Now the
see.
pot's at what? Whatever 6 plus 3 is.
9.
White car's cool. Purple car is more realistic on paper. I'm gonna go with the white car.
I hate to say it, but I really think Alex is gonna run away with it here.
I think this is a race of technology. Even though Mike has a little bit more experience underneath his belt, I don't think he's had much time on unprepped surfaces. Going with Choi.
That's all he has on lap belts? We die like men. I'm going with the Dodge, bro.
I've seen this Lambo scoot before. It's good. I'm assuming that thing's naturally aspirated, probably a big shot. It's got a good tire on it, but it's gonna gas out, so I'm gonna go with Lambo.
Let me tell you what's about to happen here. The chop will prevail. That's my prediction.
I don't care what you say. If that car don't do that, look at that. Look at, I don't care how much horsepower, how many bulls he got under there. Ain't nothing like American freedom.
Let me tell you something, Gary is a converted human being, and you can be too. All you need, big old cubes, big old power. Hog.
Round 1.
response time. That was like, yeah, gone. That was beautiful.
That might have been a Choi boy dub right there. Was that a Choi boy dub?
I think he pulled it.
Look at these two clowns.
Hey, boys.
Soy boy dub.
Ah!
So it's looking like it was a 3-car race to 1,000 and maybe a car and a half, 2 to 500. I think 500 will be a good race for you guys. Maybe
we're thinking maybe you take the hit.
And maybe even a car. Maybe even a car.
Car and a hit?
Car and a hit?
What do you guys think?
Or do you want to just do, you can,
Yeah, what are you thinking?
Whatever you
think Mike needs
you know what?
I'll leave it up to him.
Yeah, I don't need to, I don't need car lengths.
All right.
I'm good with that.
So just a hit? Hit the 500?
Sure.
All right.
Round 2.
Did he still chase him down?
No, I think Mike may have got it by a bumper.
Oh, well, that man's
Choi
hands
reeled.
did not leave at all.
He got the hit. It was his hit, but he's supposed to wait for thumbs up technically.
Nah, I told him I'm going up and holding.
All right. So yeah, that boy left off the line.
Choi boys took the win.
He did?
Yep. By a bumper.
What? At the 500 and the hit?
Cannot lose.
What a beautiful jump. That was great out the hole.
I'd say he caught all of us off guard on that start, Mike.
Yeah, you hit it.
I told you it's the black shoes. It's those black shoes. He is a menace to society. I know that anywhere.
That was pretty close. That was very, very close.
Hey, but we can run again if you want. I'll just same thing.
If that flag was a nudge closer, you would have won.
We're thinking he wants to try a little bit different of a launch, so maybe 500 and a hit again. And
okay.
Yeah, I might do worse.
Bonus round.
Mike tried it off the brake.
Wasn't better.
Wasn't better.
I don't care. I still like Mike's car. I still like Mike.
Oh, yeah.
Those burnouts?
No, that's why I said he won already showing up here. When your boy shows up with a gallon of water and says, all right, we're sitting there with the burnout right off the rip, you've already won.
Yeah.
He could just load it in the trailer and went home.
Well, I mean, he lost the race.
He lost the race, but the burnout competition he won.
Last call for donuts.
That's what I'm talking about.
I want to remind you, he said he didn't have money to build the transmission or fix his front diffs. But anyway, thanks for watching.
Today, we have basically a long battle that's been happening behind the scenes. The battle of the drift guys versus the drag guys. Drift boys! It was a drift battle to the end!